In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import a Trello board into Monday.com step by step. If you're moving your projects from Trello to Monday, or just testing out Monday.com for better workflows, this process is quick and straightforward. The best part is that Monday automatically converts your lists, cards, labels, and members, so you don't have to rebuild everything from scratch. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so you can migrate your board smoothly without losing any important data. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. The first step is to open Monday.com and go to the Board Import section. Once you're logged into your Monday account, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your avatar. This will open a small menu with several options related to your workspace settings. From that menu, select Import Data. Monday will then show you a list of different platforms you can import from. Since we're bringing in a Trello board, go ahead and choose Trello from the list. This tells Monday that you want to connect your Trello account and pull in existing boards. Now you'll move on to logging into Trello. As soon as you select Trello, a pop-up window will appear asking you to sign into your Trello account. Enter your Trello login details just like you normally would. After signing in, Trello will ask you to approve the connection between Trello and Monday.com. This permission allows Monday to view your boards and import their structure and content. Go ahead and approve the connection so the two platforms can sync properly. Without this approval, Monday won't be able to access your boards. Once the connection is approved, Monday.com will automatically display a list of your available Trello boards. This makes it easy to choose exactly which board you want to migrate. Scroll through the list and select the specific board you'd like to import into Monday. After selecting it, click on Import Board. Monday will then begin the migration process. Depending on the size of your board and how many cards it contains, this may take a few moments. Larger boards with many attachments or members can take slightly longer, so just give it a minute to finish processing. After the import is complete, it's time to review your newly created board inside Monday.com. Monday automatically converts your Trello structure into its own format. Your Trello lists become groups in Monday. Your Trello cards become items. Trello labels are converted into status columns, which you can further customize. And Trello members are mapped into a people column, as long as the email addresses match users in your Monday workspace. This automatic conversion saves you hours of manual setup. Now take a few minutes to review everything carefully. Check your groups, confirm your items imported correctly, and adjust your columns if needed. You can add additional columns such as timelines, priorities, automations, or integrations to enhance your workflow. Monday gives you more flexibility than Trello in terms of customization, so this is a great opportunity to optimize how your team manages projects. And that's it. You've successfully imported a Trello board into Monday.com. As you can see, the process is simple. Connect your account, choose your board, and let Monday handle the conversion automatically. If this video helped you migrate your project smoothly, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on project management tools and productivity software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.